red bone mains, chain swing, like pretty bitch. Call me Howdy, folks.
What did
I could do it like this. Yeah.
Everywhere you look,
Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Cabby. Okay.
I can do it, okay.
Hi, my name is.
Hi. Alright, what we ready to do?
Alright, so basically, right by the crib, my buddy Mr. Rockoff Johnson, shout out, go check him out, link in the description. He's throwing like a YouTube meet for Andrew, who passed away recently, if you guys don't know, Driven to Cure. So we're gonna head there. It's literally like a minute from the house. So we're gonna go there, check out some cars, and then after that, we're going to, it's like door, but we're gonna head to the 124 car meet. We're gonna do some donuts, we're gonna do some burnouts. We're just gonna simply f it up. You trying to race? Trying to race? They ain't trying to race, they on their phones. Before you watch this video, I just want to let you guys know that I started a Patreon or whatever, however the hell you say that. So basically, if you want to support the channel, you can support it like monetarily wise. So I'll post that link in the description. Any help helps, obviously, but I just want to grow this channel, make it bigger and better videos. And I have a whole bunch of ideas, but like your guys' support helps a lot. So if you guys can go to the link in the description, check it out. Leave a little bit of feedback, whatever. I love you guys so much. Oh, we pulling up to the gang shit. Gang. What's up, dog? Oh, yo got the champion, boy. Yo look fresh. What's up, dog? Bro? Where's your car? You got the daily?
Yeah, the daily over there.
Oh, alright. What's up, girl? How you been?
Good, you?
Same old shit.
Hey, don't you make me piss myself today.
Bro. Yo got the clown feet, boy.
You know, right there.
You got the 990. You got the 9900s on.
Y'all got the new Beezies. They not the Yeezys. They the new Beezies.
God
You
damn.
got the blow up here, you got the turbo right here. And don't talk about this.
No,
this right here,
you're
that's
dumb, bro. This the downpipe. Rev it up, rev it up.
Hey, Samsung, Motorola, switch, different phones. Big chopper, small chopper, aiming at your dome. One bite, two bite, now I'm on the moon. Back to the earth, chilling in my space room. Hey, Samsung, Motorola, switch, different phones. Big chopper, small chopper, aiming at your dome.
We ready to get this race in.
She might beat me.
She might beat you, bro.
I might let her win.
You gotta let us get the hit first. Alright.
Boy, I follow you.
Alright. Oh, my baby Ray got her first racing.
Okay,
left.
old ass light.
Left. Oh, she getting ready. You ready? Make it left to the light. Alright. Hey yo, you just gotta have him for a second, yo. I'm not even gonna lie. That's crazy. That was crazy. Ah! That was funny as shit.
Ah, shit.
Dick ass. Fucking.
I was ready to do it too. I was ready to be like, fuck it, I'm ready to go.
Yo, hit him with the low.
Yeah.
Yo, got him for like 2 seconds, and then you were saying it's a Mustang. Makes like way more horsepower, but shit. Got his ass! Right lane, happy right lane, go.
Oh shit!
Hey yo! Shoot, if this was an ISF, we would have had him for real.
Nah, we were in the caddy.
We were in the caddy.
We were in the caddy.
If we were in the caddy, we definitely would have been good. What it is? I just showed her first race. We raced that Mustang.
Alright, so who won?
The Mustang, obviously. She said, "What's up?"
You let her win, bro.
Hey yo, she said, "What's up?" She got the bug now.
Let's do it.
What's
We
up?
can leave now. We're about to chill for a little bit.
We can chill for a little bit and then we'll do that. So we about to go get some Ready to get some food to eat.
What do you want?
Look, I'm gonna let her decide, because that's how it usually goes, because you know, I don't care, we can go wherever. Tropical smoothie.
I had it yesterday.
Be right back. So like every time you leave a meet, you always gotta leave with style. So we're gonna hit a little drift, and then like I said, we gotta go get food. And then we're gonna head to the other, I think it's like the 1320 Maryland meet. So we're gonna head there. It's gonna be lit.
Freaking dress. Oh my, ow!
Gotta get out of here. Was that your head?
I don't know.
Hey, you gotta brace yourself, man.
I did. I'm like trying to hold your 4-gallon bottle of water and record.
Yeah, low key. You're probably gonna hear that in the video. It says skidoo.
I hit it right here on this thing.
Hey yo, that's funny. So apparently what happened was
Anthony is dumb and
okay, so
look when it was.
So the meet was yesterday, okay? So we didn't get to whatever. So the meet was yesterday, but I mean, I'm gonna add, she recorded some dope stuff for my Instagram, so I'm gonna post that in here too. Go check out my Instagram. I don't know, we had a quick little fun car day type thing. At least we got a little short of the video. At least we got a little bit of video in here, you know what I'm saying? But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Don't forget, if you guys want to help support the channel, go check out the Patreon, whatever. I don't know how to say that.
Cash at me for pictures of my toes.
Yeah, if you guys want pictures of her toes, you can cash app her. This camera is not focusing at all. Hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. You guys are the best. If you guys want some ant merch, link in the description as well. So comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace. Yeah.
Okay, dumb bitch, give me dumb bread.